Mahebourg, and it's one of the biggest villages in the southeast of Mauritius.
So, and like our best tradition, even here in Mahebourg, the first things what we do is tasting street food. And here I have a chana puri. Already touching it, I can say that it's so oily, but I'm sure so good too. It's made with a split pea and very spicy.
Because of the chutney that we added on it.
But the taste is very delicate. Good. And here, even it's already beaten, we have eggplant with a fried dough. I just can say that it's very good.
And this is what we call gâteau manger. And this is gâteau pima. It's made with split peas, spring onions, a bit of chili, and it's deeply fried. It's one of the most favorite street food of Mauritians. It's deep fried, so it's better when you eat it really hot. And this is samosa. So you have either potato or cheese inside. Let's discover what's inside. This one, we've got potato and curry. Really good. So this is what we call glaçon râpé here in Mauritius. It's crushed ice and with lots of syrup and also lots of fruits. You've got pineapple here, tamarind and other fruits too. Really, really good.
How is it?
So refreshing. With that hot weather, wow. One tip that we can give you is that if you intend to eat at restaurants in Mahebourg, it's better not to go on Tuesdays because most of the restaurants are closed on that day.
We are in the Mahebourg Bazaar and let's see what offered to us. So we stop here to Shemaraz and I take again the chana puri. Is different between the other one that we tasted before. Firstly because there is the red sauce and this one is just done. It's very, very hot. So it's time to eat.
Bon appétit!
Hot, but it's so much better than the one of before. This is really, really approved.
So we are here again at Shemaraz and we are tasting the famous dal puri. And you've got curry, bean curry inside and red sauce. We call it bougaille.
C'est bon?
so good. I highly recommend you to come here. And now we are in Bois des Amourettes, and it's really hot in here. Let's admire the beauty of this place.
It takes about 15 minutes to arrive to Bois des Amourettes from Mahebourg, and it's really worth a stop there. Bois des Amourettes, translated as Lover's Forest, is a peaceful and tiny village in the east of Mauritius. The center of the attraction of this village is a famous lovely jetty which was constructed during the naval war of Vieux Grand Port.
Situated near the small village of Bambou-Virieux, there is an artificial fish farm amidst a picturesque natural setting right next to a river mouth and the ocean. Since it's only 10 minutes away from Bois des Amourettes, we decided to stop there to have a drink and admire the breathtaking view of this place. This is the period of lychee in December here in Mauritius, and it's 150 rupees for 1 kilo. So sweet.